Hey folks, Jason here from JS Auto Fix. I'm gonna do a little video here on rear tailgate fix on a third gen Toyota 4Runner. I bought this little 4Runner and nothing on the back gate would work. Well, sometimes it would, sometimes it wouldn't. It was intermittent. And the things on the back gate are rear defrost, your power window that goes up and down, and your rear window wiper. So I went ahead and checked the fuses, and all the fuses were good. Some days I'd open the hatch, and when I'd shut it, everything would work, and the next day it wouldn't. It didn't take me long to figure out, well, it's got to be a connection issue somewhere. So I looked for a main connector on the back, and I couldn't find one. But so when I started stripping back the wire looms, I'd found all the wires cracked in the back. So in this video, I'll show you how to fix that, whether it's your rear defrost, whether it's your window up and down, whether it's your power wiper. But either way, I hope this helps. I hope this is your problem. And I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. There'll be lots more videos like this coming out. Don't forget to click the little bell. That way you'll get notifications anytime I post a new video. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps. So here is the power window up and down. One side goes up, one side goes down. That's the rear defrost. Everything is right in this little area, except for the rear wiper. So if none of these are working, or maybe even just one of them isn't working, then you may want to go straight to the back and look at that tailgate. Here's the wire loom I was talking about. These are the wires, and there's a loom over the top. From over the years of all the tailgate, up and down, up and down, up and down, what happens is the wires end up getting cracked, and that's where they get cracked, is right there. When I checked mine, there's what they looked like. They were actually, some of them were even broke off and just connecting when I'd shut the tailgate back down. So that's what I went ahead and done. I snipped the wires where they were cracked, and then I slid some heat shrink up over the top, twisted the wires back together, then soldered them, slid the heat shrink down, heated it up, and then taped them all up again. So far, so good. It's been, over a year since I done that, and they're still holding out. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.